Hello again. Let's look at the second consonant digraph that we have. If you missed the first one, I'll leave a link up here. Please be sure to go and check it out, okay? And by the way, in the end, we are going to be comparing the close sounding pairs of consonant digraphs. So the ones that sound similar to the non-Ghanaian ear, we are going to be comparing them so you know exactly how they differ. But for now, I want us to focus on how each of them sound on their own, so that when we get down to comparing the pairs, it's going to be easier because you are going to focus on how they differ instead of wasting too much time on how each of them sound again, all right? So for today's digraph, we have this one. And this again is one of the easiest to pronounce because again, you have this in English, all right? So for this one, we have it as sh. So, as you can probably tell, this is the same sound that you have represented in English with SH, okay? SH. So in English, if you come by SH, you pronounce it as sh, okay? Sh. As in shirt, all right? So you have shirt, you have shame, all right? Shame, you have shoe, all right? So that sound that you have represented with, SH in English, that is the same sound that we have represented in tree with he, yeah. So going forward, if you come by any tree word that has this sequence of consonants in it with no break, okay, so there's no vowel coming in between, the consonant, then pronounce it as sh, okay, sh. The same sh that you have represented in English with SH, all right? Let's go ahead and look at some word examples containing this digraph. For the first one, we have she. She, and again, watch my lips. It's quite spread when I say it. So I say she, she, and I told you in our previous lesson that this is going to prove useful when we get down to looking at the digraphs that are non-existent in the English language, as well as when we get down to comparing the pairs that are, that sound similar, all right? So watch my lips. I say she, 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 okay? For the second example, we have she, she, she. So we have sh, 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 okay? She. She. We have afashe, afashe, afashe. So we have sh, 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 sh at the end, right? So we have afashe, afashe, right? To the next one, we have esheng, esheng, esheng. Watch my lips. Esheng, esheng. And then we have one of the tricky ones. So we have shishe, shishe, okay? She, 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 she. Again, watch my lips. She, 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 she. So we have shishe, shishe. And then we have nsushie, nsushie, nsushie. Let's look at one more example. We have nshisheye, nshisheye, nshisheye. Do you remember shishe? Okay, shishe. So we get this noun out of that verb. So we have shishe, which is to arrange, and then we have nshisheye, nshisheye, nshisheye. Okay, so nshisheye, nshisheye. All right, let's end this one here, and I'll see you in the next one.